Shorting a stock on TradeStation involves selling shares you do not own with the expectation that the stock price will decline so you can buy it back at a lower price. Here's how to do it. Log into TradeStation, open platform, launch the TradeStation desktop platform, web version or mobile app and log in using your credentials. Ensure margin account, check account type, ensure you have a margin account as short selling requires margin. If you don't have one, you need to apply for a margin account through TradeStation's account management. Locate the stock, search for symbol, use the search bar or symbol lookup to find the stock you want to short. Access the order entry window, desktop or web. Go to the order bar or trade tab and open a new order entry form. Mobile app, tap on the asset and select trade. The short sale order. Action, choose sell from the action drop down menu. Quantity, enter the number of shares you wish to short. Order type, select the order type. Price and duration. For limit orders, specify the limit price and order duration. Review and submit. Confirm details. Double check the order details to ensure accuracy. Place order. Click submit or send order to execute the short sale. Monitor your position. Track position. Use the orders or positions tab to monitor your short position and manage it as necessary.